How to fix your sleep debt in 7 days. If you're constantly waking up tired, hitting snooze, and feeling like you'll catch up on sleep later, bad news, you're stuck in sleep debt. But in the next 7 days, you can reset your sleep and wake up actually feeling rested. Here's how. What is sleep debt? Think of sleep like a credit card. Every hour of lost sleep is a charge on your balance, but unlike money, you can't just pay it back by sleeping in on the weekend. Studies show that even 1 hour of lost sleep per night adds up, affecting your mood, memory, and focus. If you're feeling groggy, struggling to concentrate, or relying on caffeine to function, sleep debt is probably the reason. But the good news? You can reset your sleep in just 7 days. Here's how. Day 1 to 3. The sleep reset. Step 1. Set a fixed wake-up time. No matter how much you slept, get up at the same time every day. This helps regulate your internal clock. Step 2. Get sunlight within 30 minutes of waking up. Morning light exposure signals to your body that it's time to be awake and makes it easier to fall asleep at night. If you can, go outside for 5 to 10 minutes. If not, use a bright light indoors. Step 3. Cut out caffeine at least 8 hours before bed. Even if you think caffeine doesn't affect you, it can still disrupt your deep sleep. If you need an energy boost, try a 10-minute walk instead. The biggest mistake people make. You've probably tried fixing your sleep by going to bed earlier, but here's the problem. Forcing sleep doesn't work. The key is to fix your wake-up time first. Once your body adjusts, your natural bedtime will follow, and stop compensating with naps. If you nap longer than 20 minutes, you're just making it harder to sleep at night. Day 4 to 7. Fixing the root cause. Now that you've stabilized your wake-up time, it's time to fix the underlying issues. Start adjusting your bedtime gradually. Move it earlier by 15 to 30 minutes each night. Block blue light at least 90 minutes before bed. Even dim lighting can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. If you have to use screens, use night mode or blue light blocking glasses. And track how you feel, not just how long you sleep. The goal is to wake up feeling refreshed. If you're getting up at the same time every day and feel more alert, you're on the right track, even if your sleep isn't perfect yet. Stick to this for 7 days, and your sleep debt will be gone. But if you want to fix the #1 sleep mistake people make, check out this next video.